Namaste. In the previous video, we talked about the mechanism of dry corrosion. In this video, we will talk about how this metal oxide either corrodes the metal or it protects from the corrosion of metal. So let us see one by one formation of various oxide layer on the surface of metal. So first, we will talk about the porous metal oxide film. When metals like alkali or alkaline earth metal, these metals whenever react with oxygen, they are forming their respective product. And whenever the respective product are formed, these products are porous metal oxide. And this being a porous metal oxides, these are having some holes. These are allowing the oxygen to enter into it. So thereby fusion takes place and therefore underlying metal will be in contact with oxygen, thereby this metal gets oxidized to form more and more metal oxide. And therefore in this case this kind of film is acting as a non-protective in nature. So therefore this porous metal oxide film is non-protective in nature and therefore corrosion continues in this kind of metal oxide film formation. We have second one, that is we can talk about non-porous metal oxide film. Whereas in the non-porous metal oxide film, from the name you can understand non-porous means this will not be having any pore, and therefore we can say this non-porous metal oxide film once formed, it will protect the underlying metal, and this underlying metal will not get exposed to the more oxygen, and as it is not exposing to the more oxygen, it will get protected. So therefore this kind of layer will be protective in nature. So we can say the example like aluminium, copper or chromium or various metals such as some transition metals will be forming such kind of non-porous metal oxide film. Apart from that, we can talk about unstable metal oxide film. So in this case we can say whenever metals like silver, gold or platinum, these metals are forming unstable oxide film. Now what does it mean by unstable metal oxide film? Means this particular metal oxides whenever form, they will be giving back metal and oxygen. So therefore in that case this metal oxide will not be formed, they will be again forming metal and oxygen, and therefore metal does not corrode. So in this way here corrosion does not occur or no corrosion occur. Finally we can talk about the volatile metal oxide film. Now if we talk about volatile metal oxide film, this volatile metal oxide film whenever formed, this metal oxide is volatile in nature. It means that whenever such kind of metal oxide is formed, this metal oxide evaporates slowly, and as it is evaporating slowly, this will not be available on the surface, and more amount of molybdenum or more amount of that particular metal is exposed to the oxygen, and thereby the more and more corrosion occurs. So we will revise it in short. To summarize, we can say porous metal oxide whenever formed, these are non-protective in nature and it is not protecting underlying metal. In case of non-porous metal oxide film formation, it is protective in nature and thereby underlying metal gets protected. So in porous metal oxide formation, corrosion continues. In non-porous metal oxide formation, corrosion discontinues. Whereas in case of unstable metal oxide film, corrosion does not occur, whereas again in volatile metal oxide film formation, corrosion occurs and corrosion continues. So accordingly, we are having this various metal oxide film formation. In the next video, we will talk about Billing-Bedworth ratio and corrosion due to other gases. Happy learning. Thank you.